Welcome to Getting Started with EC-CAD Session 3. In this session, we're going to show how to work with the hangars and get those hangars ready to send to the Trimble total station. So I have some ductwork drawn here, and if you notice the elevations here, I drew this ductwork at 9'3" to the bottom, 10'9" to the top. So first thing I'm going to go look at is I'm going to go look at my Hangar Preferences. So if you come up to the Home ribbon and then go to your Fabricate pull down, you're going to see Duct Hangar Preferences. You click onto that and that's going to open up your Hangar Preferences dialog box. And right now I just have the one EC hanger set up in here, but you can always add new preferences or delete them with these buttons. Right now I'm looking at my rectangular hangers, and I've set here for my size upper limit 36. I'm using hanger strap, and the distance between is 6 foot. If it's over 36 in width, I'm using a trapeze hanger, and I've got it set to use all thread rod and my unistrut. On the round, I've set that to be, I want to use my single strap hangers, okay, and set that. If I want to go to my extended data, I have here where I can set up different accessories that go with the hangers. So I could come in here and say maybe on the upper attachment here, maybe I'd rather have that set to an adjustable beam clamp for my trapeze hangers. I'm just going to go ahead and select OK. And now as I go back into my drawing, I'm going to touch onto my duct. And up on the ribbon, you'll see an Add Hangers button. I'm going to click Add Hangers, and I've set my under slab elevation to 18 feet. This is where the top of my hanger will end. And you can see here on my trapeze hangers, I've called an adjustable beam clamp. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit OK and let it calculate the hangers out for me based on that hanger preference. Once those are completed, you can see here in my isometric view that I used a unistrut with all thread rod, and here I have my upper attachment of an adjustable beam clamp. On the other ductwork, the smaller rectangular, I used double strap, and then on my round, I used a single strap. But now I want to get this ready to go to the total station. So we're just going to go ahead and come back to our home page, and we're going to go to the Load Catalog pull down, and we're going to open up our Fabrication palette. On the Fabrication palette, the very bottom tab is called Total Station. I can create these different file types to send to the total station, the MEP, the TFL, and the CSV. You'd need to put a check in all of them to create that file for every one. But you want to come to the top level up here, and you're going to want to add your own new category or new folder. And so I'm going to go ahead and right click on that, and now I'm going to come over there and tell it I want to rename it, and I'm just going to say maybe this is going to be my first floor hangars. So I go ahead and put my category in, and now I can come up here and I can either right click on this and go to Define, or I can go to the Define button down here. I'm just going to go ahead and click Define, and now it wants to know what points I want to pull out of the drawing for the hangars. I'm going to say in this case I want to get my duct bottom points and my duct hanger points. You can set this, you can set a prefix to this, you can set the numbering start values, you can set a suffix, and you can set the layer that this goes to. You also have the ability to add any custom points in your drawing that you choose. So maybe you want to have some points for a pad for a unit or something like that can be set. So as I just go ahead and hit OK now, all I need to do is just make a selection set in my drawing and enter. And now that's going to create me a file over here for my first floor hangars that can be sent out to the Trimble total station. And that's how we create the points for the total station, and you can see the points activated on the bottom of the duct and on the top of the hangars. And this will conclude session 3 of Getting Started with EC-CAD.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist, or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.